Oh, yes, yes, I'm the first to enter eternity.
Peter, way to go, buddy!
No more dogs ran on that sled.
Indeed, by the hands of a god. Oh, thank you, Lord.
No more dogs ran on that sled.
Our God.